Norwood LumberMax HD38. The LumberMax HD38 proudly represents the family of band sawmills, designed for heavy-duty operations and capable of handling hardwoods like oak. As a result, many of its components are significantly stronger and more powerful compared to similar models. For example, the HD38 features patented rails made of high-strength galvanized steel. The entire structure is engineered for towing, making transportation easy. At the client's request, the sawmill can be equipped with an advanced hydraulic system and the manufacturer's most powerful engine, offering 27 horsepower. As a result, it can easily handle logs with a diameter of up to 96 centimeters. With 26 individual options, the HD38 becomes even more versatile and user-friendly. The price of the sawmill is $13,580. Forestmaster Manual Log Splitter. The FMMS are the second duo of log splitting tools developed by Forestmaster, designed specifically for firewood preparation. The FMMS is marketed as a smart log splitter, aimed at reducing strain on the back and shoulders while being safer than a regular axe. It allows users to split logs up to 55 centimeters tall by simply placing them on a stump or wooden block as a base. The price for the FMMS is $88. Vedmaskin Teak Pro. The Teak Pro is the perfect wood splitting machine, designed for handling logs with diameters of up to 48 millimeters and lengths of up to 60 centimeters. Powered by a 13.5 horsepower Briggs & Stratton engine, the Teak Pro gets the job done quickly and efficiently. The standard option includes a style saw chain and an enhanced lubrication system. Even better, using vegetable oil allows for repurposing shavings and sawdust as pet litter, making it an eco-friendly business opportunity. The only downside is the cost, as the Teak Pro is priced at around $22,000. However, it operates at an impressive speed of up to 4 cubic meters per hour, ensuring high productivity and efficiency. ATV Log Hauler. Iron Baltic offers this log hauling system, weighing just 60 kilograms, making it one of the lightest options on the market. It is ideal for use with all-terrain vehicles ATVs when other machinery is unavailable. The system supports loads of up to 500 kilograms and comes with either a manual or electric winch, with the electric version providing a pulling force of up to 1,130 kilograms. A single worker can easily handle lifting, securing, and transporting logs independently. Additionally, navigating forest trails is often easier with an ATV than with larger equipment like tractors or loaders. The estimated cost of the system is $11,000. Compared to the Teak Pro, the next two developments may seem rather simplistic. However, behind their basic design lies meticulous attention to detail. Forestmaster, the seller, insists that their machines offer unrivaled efficiency and take the logging experience to a whole new level. The first tool is the quick-fire Sawhorse. It acts as an extra pair of hands, holding logs up to 4 meters long and 25 centimeters in diameter. The quick-fire Sawhorse is a great choice when you need to saw through a large number of logs by yourself. The price for the Sawhorse is $100. BLS-3H. The second model is called the BLS-3H. It is an upgraded version of the Sawhorse, capable of supporting up to 250 kilograms. It securely holds a stack of logs with a total height of 52 centimeters. The frame is designed so that the chainsaw touches only the wood, preventing damage to both the Sawhorse and the chainsaw. The BLS-3H is priced at $56. DYNA Firewood Tumbler. The DYNA Firewood Tumbler is a firewood processing device that operates by rotating logs in a drum, similar to how a washing machine works. This spinning motion effectively removes dirt, wood chips, and leftover bark, ensuring cleaner firewood. Unlike its competitors, the DYNA Firewood Tumbler offers several key advantages. Firstly, customers can choose between a fuel-powered or electric power source, providing flexibility based on their needs. Secondly, it features 2 chutes that direct debris in different directions, making it ideal for those who want to sort collected materials efficiently. Finally, customers can purchase just the drum, making it a great option for those building their own firewood processing system from scratch. Clark Ram Wedge. The Ram Wedge is a hydraulic-powered tool designed as a robust alternative to traditional wedges. This innovation offers several key advantages over conventional methods. Firstly, it minimizes vibration in the wood, significantly reducing the risk of branches snapping off and causing injury. Secondly, operating the Ram Wedge with its lever mechanism is far easier and safer than swinging a heavy sledgehammer. Additionally, the Ram Wedge delivers a powerful hydraulic force of up to 5 tons, making it highly effective. Due to its immense power, the seller strongly recommends that it be used exclusively by competent and trained specialists. The price of the Ram Wedge is $2,420. KRPAN Hydraulic Logging Winch. The KRPAN hydraulic logging winch is part of KRPAN's latest range of forestry winches, specifically designed for logging equipment. These skidding winches stand out from the competition due to their innovative engineering, boasting 11 patents and full compliance with European Union safety standards. Depending on the model, these winches offer pulling forces ranging from 4.5 to 9.5 tons, with an average operating speed of 0.9 meters per second. Their center of gravity has been lowered for enhanced stability. By default, the winches come equipped with either a steel or synthetic rope made in Germany. Additionally, the winch can be mounted at both the front and rear, allowing for greater flexibility when integrating other equipment. However, such advanced features come at a premium price. The base model, the KRPAN 4.5EH, starts at $644. The FM9LS, the second tool in the duo, is also a firewood splitter but is more affordable, costing just $50. It features a simple design and requires a separate mallet, which must be purchased separately. This model excels at preparing kindling, and its 1 4/10 kilogram weight makes it highly portable.